Hello everyone! Today we're going to expand your crypto journey by getting started with Binance. Everything will be explained in a clean and easy to follow way. By signing up through the link below this video, you'll receive a 20% trading fee reduction and some extra sign-up rewards. Don't forget to use the link if you want to receive these rewards. First, let me guide you through the Binance account setup process. When you open Binance using the link below this video, you'll be directed straight to the Binance registration page. On this page, you'll see a 20% trading fee discount, along with several bonus rewards available for new users. You can create your account using either an email address or a mobile phone number. Make sure to check the box to agree to the terms shown below. Once that's done, tap on Continue to move forward. Next, select the image that matches the word shown on the left side. After that, complete the verification for your email or phone number. Then, you'll be asked to set up a password for your account. Your password should be at least 8 characters long, include one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and at least one number. If an inviter code field appears on your screen, enter SKY333 in that section. Using this code gives you a 20% discount on Binance trading fees, as well as extra bonus rewards. For that reason, I highly recommend entering the code before completing registration. Once all steps are finished, your Binance account will be ready to use. Second, I'll guide you through how to complete Binance KYC verification. To use peer-to-peer services, make withdrawals, or start trading on Binance, you'll need to finish identity verification first. Because this step includes facial verification, we'll continue using a mobile phone. Download the Binance app on your smartphone. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Log in using the account you just created. After logging in, you'll be taken directly to the identity verification screen. Select your nationality from the list. In this example, I'll choose India. Then, continue to the next step of the verification process. Choose one of the supported identity documents. I'll select passport verification here. Tap Take Pictures to select the passport information page. Then, tap Continue at the bottom of the screen. Place the passport's information page neatly inside the camera frame. Take a clear photo. Make sure there are no reflections or shadows on the image. Next, we'll proceed to facial verification. Align your face within the camera frame, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the actions shown. Your identity verification has now been successfully submitted. After roughly 1 hour of review, your verification status will change to verified. Third, I'll show you how to set up Google Authenticator for extra account security. Please switch back to the PC screen. Click Account in the menu on the left. Then, choose Security from the list. We'll add an extra layer of protection using an Authenticator app. Click Manage to continue. Now, select Enable Authenticator app. Next, complete the verification for your email or mobile number. After verification, a QR code will appear on the screen. Now, download the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Scan a QR code from the options. Scan the QR code shown on the PC screen. A 6-digit Binance code will then appear in the Google Authenticator app. Go back to the Binance page and click Next. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the Authenticator app code field. Once this is done, your Google Authenticator setup is complete. Today, I showed you how to complete the latest 2026 Binance registration step by step. I kept everything simple so you could follow along without any confusion. If you still have any questions after watching, feel free to leave a comment whenever you want. I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching all the way to the end.